Since November last year, Kyiv and some Western countries have accused Russia of massing heavy troops near the Ukrainian border, fearing Moscow is preparing to invade Ukraine. Moscow denied the accusation, saying that Russia has the right to mobilize troops within its borders to defend its territory, but it has no plans to attack Ukraine. The fears of large-scale conflict flared last week, as the US sent 2 batches of military assistance for Ukraine. The tensions around Ukraine have risen even higher on Monday, as the US and Britain began withdrawing some of their staff from their embassies in Kyiv, stoking fears that a conflict is looming. Amid the heightened tensions, Ukraine on Monday called the meeting of the National Security and Defense Council. Ukrainian President Zelensky addressed the nation following the meeting, saying that the Ukrainian authorities, together with partners, are working toward full de-escalation and progress along the path of a peaceful settlement.